el trasnochador, tunante en la oscuridad. Y en esta noche de amor voy buscando la luz de tu dulce mirar. Porque el pasado se fue llevándose la canción del corazón en aquellas románticas noches que no olvidaré. La guitarra es un rojo clavel, perfumando el secreto jardín de las horas vividas ayer, cuando estaba tan cerca de ti. Solo queda el recuerdo de un grato placer y el rumor de la luna de abril. Por eso vivo mi bien, tunante y trasnochador, huyéndole a mi dolor, perdido el placer, perdido el amor. Por eso vivo mi bien, tunante y trasnochador, huyéndole a mi dolor, perdido el placer, perdido el amor.
Okay, we are on the so-called nightmare bus from the Unido class, but it doesn't look like such a nightmare, does it?
Well, we are in the VIP section. You got Titanic music playing, you got stars that you have. Everyone else has wine.
Perfumando el secreto jardín de las horas vividas ayer.
Okay, everybody's got their South American sweaters on.
Oh yeah.
Ready to go?
I had mine first.
I couldn't find any that fit me, so I'm out of the club.
You have one. You've got a cool jacket.
Yeah, I got a cool jacket. I also have this cool hat, so.
That's the debate.
So here's our vehicle for our tour, 3-day tour. There's 6 of us. We got 2 in the back, 3 in the middle, and Robert is up front. So.
Okay, today we're starting our 3-day tour around uni to the Salt Flats, and we are currently in the train cemetery in Cannes.
Any of you guys know anything about this train cemetery?
Marina knows everything.
I tried to translate it from Spanish to English. We know some crazy things going on in the background. You can cut it out, right?
Yeah.
Anyway, we know this was actually a train from Potosí, from the silver mines to Chile, and they also exported the minerals from here, from the salt flats to Chile, because Calama in Chile was talking. So
Yeah, keep talking.
So disrespectful.
No, you can have voice and it's gonna use the audio. Okay.
That's what
Cut.
I'm saying. Oh,
Okay, so again, as close to Marina's face as possible.
no, I've got so many spots.
Okay. Used to use the trades.
To export the minerals from here to Calama in Chile, because it was actually part of Bolivia. Okay. Also the silver, and there was stuff from Europe coming to here in order to make this train run. And what else?
And I think that's all we really know about the train
Before they were
cemetery.
still working.
No, we
They're
don't
not
know.
working, but people stole like all these materials from the train, so they don't work anymore. That's why they call it cemetery.
And as you can see, they're not in the best condition.
Yeah, they look pretty rough.
Maybe Robert has something to add as well.
You can see some people are having fun climbing around on the trains here.
Cut all the grass. That's an expression in Dutch. Like,
So this is the first stop.
Someone's feet. It's very translated.
First stop of our 3-day tour.
Yay!
Oh yeah.
I'm not
Don't
quite
know
sure
where
where we're going next. We signed up for a Spanish tour because it was cheaper than the English tour, and we don't actually speak Spanish. Only Marina does.
Thank you. We have a
So she's our translator. But yeah, the whole point is really to see the salt flats. And tonight we're sleeping in a hotel made of salt.
That should be comfortable.
That's wonderful.
Do you want us to film you now? Okay. Dylan, anything to add? You were some pretty crazy acrobatics.
I don't know if any of you people out there used to watch Thomas the Tank Engine, but I hear his grandfather's buried here. So we're here to pay our respects.
Amen.
Amen.
Utilizada para la cocción de los alimentos antes, ¿no? Antes de que llegue a adentrar lo que son los hidrocarburos, el gas, ¿no? Con esta planta se cocinaba la comida quemado con la queña que está instalada, ¿no? Estos son pequeños hornos, es como un sartén, ¿no?
What have you got?
Vitamin concoction. I think it's orange and carrot.
Freshly juiced right here at the juice station. For only 5 Bolivianos, it's about $1. Very cool.
Worth every cent.
So Robert accidentally broke a piece of this chess set, so now he has to buy it.
I liked it anyway.
Yeah, but he was gonna buy it anyway. It's really cool though. It's handmade.
Oh shit.
Definitely salt.
What's all this made of?
I think aluminium.
Jessica, come on. Gonna confuse people.
Look what your wife's about to do.
Ooh. Jess has to stay very still. She's recording a time lapse.
Muy bien.
We're out on the Inca Isla, what's it called? We're on the Isla Incahuasi, the island of cacti. The Incans used to come here to hide from the Spanish.
And that's the extent of our knowledge. No, we do know that the cactuses grow 1 or 2 centimeters every year.
Cactuses here grow 1 or 2 centimeters every year.
So obviously,
And some of these
they're
things
pretty
are like
old.
10 feet tall, so they're like hundreds of years old. It's pretty exhausting getting to the top of this hill, so I'm just taking a little breather. Jess is doing okay though.
Come on, Dylan. We gotta go back down to Willow.
Did everybody leave us?
No, they're just hanging out.
What do you think about the salt flats so far?
Absolutely magnificent, but we're not actually on the salt flats right now.
No, we're on this
the
island.
Of cactuses in the middle of the salt flats. So,
Island of cacti. The Incans used to come here to hide from the Spanish.
not the hallucinogenic ones, unfortunately.
Jessica, I can't put that in our video. Well,
Robert's big moment.
here we go. Got the llama sweater on. I always think the color section at the other side of the best. Alright guys, look like you're having a good time.
Sun has set.
Sunset right now on the salt flats.
Beer in hand.
Beer in hand, of course. Absolutely breathtaking. All right, so we are on day 2 of our 3-day tour
3-day adventure.
from Uyuni, and today we have gone around some volcanoes and checking out some different lagoons here.
I think we have some more geysers coming up, which will be pretty cool.
Yeah, seeing some geysers.
We're not entirely sure what's on the itinerary because we went with a Spanish tour and he doesn't speak English and we don't speak Spanish.
Yeah, we don't know any Spanish, so we're not quite sure where we're going.
But I'm pretty sure I did hear geysers.
We do know that we're doing some hot springs tonight.
Oh yeah, hot springs tonight.
and it gets so cold at night. And we were freezing last night. The hostel didn't have any heat.
Dylan kept pulling the covers off me and I'm sleeping bed.
It was really cold. So anyway, the hostel is like a 10-minute walk to the hot springs. So we're just gonna have to get in the hot springs and then run as fast as we can back to the hostel.
We're gonna have to drink a lot of whiskey in the hot springs.
Yeah, definitely get some whiskey going in the hot springs to keep us warm. But yeah, it's very, very beautiful. We're about to have lunch here.
Outside this shack.
Outside this shack here. Nice mountains in the background. Got some seagulls behind me. I'm sure they're just ready to try to eat our lunch. So, but yeah, day 2, going well so far. One of the girls in our group has some altitude sickness or something.
She seems fine.
Yeah, I think she's maybe fine. Who knows? Big baby. All right.
Quisiera ser chofercito del carro de esa señora. Quisiera ser chofercito del carro de esa señora. Porque el motor está bueno, 12 a 500 por hora. Porque el motor está bueno, 12 a 500 por hora.
Black Lagoon, and all this landscape you can see used to be under an ocean, but the tectonic plates have pushed it up, so now evidently it's no longer under an ocean, but there is still a Black Lagoon, and
Bunch of cool rocks.
a bunch of cool rocks. 3 different types of birds over there.
No hay otra cosa más linda, ser chofercito y soltero. Chiquillas, viudas, casadas, todas me dicen te quiero. Chiquillas, viudas, casadas, todas me dicen te quiero.
Why are other lakes not like this? Is the bacteria only the main this lake forever?
Good question.
If only there was someone who could ask.
Eso jamás, lo que hicimos eso jamás. De mi amor te olvidarás, de mi cariño te olvidarás, pero sí puedo jurar, lo que hicimos eso jamás, lo que hicimos eso jamás.